and 4. Man, not also. I went in on a way not to know. Number 3 and 4. Get set. Go. Oh, come on. Get on now. Number 5 and 6. More number 5 and 6. We don't know our ball. More number 5 and 6. More number 5 and 6. I am set, go. Number 7 and 8. More number 7 and number 8. More number 7 and number 8. Come on now, man. Now I'm going to say so.
Hello. Hello.
More number 7 and number 8. Number 7 and number 8. Go. 7 and 8. Go. 7 and 8. Go.
Thanks, sir. God bless you. I'll do that when I'm done.
I like your paper now, yeah. I didn't know more about I didn't know more about
Oh, who is this more masculine? I miss them. Those Maxwell that they come. Oh my God! If you see their performance, you'll be wild. These ones are just they are flogging like novice. They are adult masculine. When they come, you will see. When they come, you will see. 9 and 10. This red masculine, I think I saw the masculine last year.
Ball number 9 and 10. 11 on there. Ball number 11 on there. Ball number 11.
Number 9. They are flogged now. Okay, I think.
Number 10, we have a no. Number 10 and 11. Number 10. Ball number 10, we have a 11, we have a no. Go. Number 12. Number 12. Number 12. 13 on there. Number 13. Come on, number 12 on there. Hello. Number 13 on the double. Number 14 on there. 13 on the wall. Number 12 on there. Number 13 on there. Number 13. Number 15, number 15. Number 15.
This one is number 15. Is this not heavy? Is this not heavy?
Number 13 and 15. Come on, Bravo. Set. Number 13 and 15.
13 and 15. Now, what is happening here? Everybody, 5,000.
Number 16. Number 16.
16. and 17.
Number 15. Ball number 15. Number 16. Okay. Number 16 and 17. 16 and 17. Ball number 16 and 17. Stand up, ball. Number 16 and 17. Ball number 16 and 17. Ball number 17. I like to play it. Number 16 and 17. Number 16 and 17. Set. Go.
What are they doing now?
Number 16 and 17. What are you going to do, Emma? Then they have number 16 and 17. Yeah. 18 and 19. Ball number 18. Ball number 18. Ball number 18. Ball number 19.
I'm doing another nonsense.
Number 20.
Imagine
Ball
the
number 20.
collected number did not show up.
Ball number 20. Ball number 20. Ball number 18. When you have a number 18. Ball number 19 and 20. Start. Go.
This one still wants to vlog, but you want to go and sit
21
down there.
and 22. More number 21 and 22. More number 21 and 22. Only got the gallant. The master of the Bible. Master of 21 and 22. Master of the 21 and 22. More number 21 and 22. Number 22 21, I need to do that. Ball number 21. Ball number 21. Go. Twenty-three and 24. Ball number 23 and 24. Now one for Ghana. We got the Ghana. 23 and 24. 23 and 24. 23 and 24. Ball number 23. Absent.
Wow, they will collect number, they will not show up. Which kind of rubbish is this one? Yeah?
Number 25.
Vivi, thank you very much. I find him Meron wine.
24 and 25, that is true, like that. Ball number 24 and 25. 24 and 25. Treno isi. 24 and 25. Treno isi. Treno isi. Twenty-six and 27. 26 and 27.
Monga na-erikwe nni biko. Monga atakazi alụ na-enyeli nni. Wow.
27 and 28. The ball number 28 going down by 28. Going down by 27 and 26. Okay, number 27 and 26. 27 and 26. Go. Offset go well. Offset go. I'm not quite saying no.
that big, very beautiful, yeah. Okay, you can't be a winning last year. This red one, yeah, oh yeah, winning last year. You were winning last year. Yes. Yeah. Yeah, be a winning last year. I'm not pure talent. He won last year, and I know he will impress us.
And 23, number 30 and 23. 23.
Immediately I saw the match, I recognized this. Jesus. And I saw one guy, because
Number 30 and 23. 30 on there. Okay, 31 and 23. 30 and 23. Come now. Oh, 31 and 23. 30 on there. 31 and 23. 31 and 23. Now also 30 and 23. 23, 31, 23, 31, go. Where is he? Around. Number 32 and 33.
I'm enjoying my time here.
That was our Lord for the best entertainment match today. We have a gallant. 32. Number 32 and 33. Number 32 and 33. Number 32 and 33. And 33. I'm not going to look at that. The phone that's 5 tonight. I'm going to 32 and 33. Did you see?